Bene, il blues, una delle nostre ragioni sociali, ci piace veramente e ci siamo accorti in questi anni che comincia davvero a piacere a molta gente, anche se magari non lo sa. Questo è un classicissimo, vi racconta la storia di un tipaccio a metà fra incantesimi e voodoo, e ve lo dico in inglese. This is the story of a hoochie coochie man. Gypsy woman told my mother before I was born, got a boy child coming, gonna be a son of a gun, gonna make pretty women jump and shout, and the world wanna know what it's all about, but you know I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. Cause I'm your hoochie coochie man. Everybody knows I'm here. Got a blackhead bone, got a mojo too, got the John the Cockle root, gonna mess with you, gonna make you good, hit me by my hand, and the world wanna know the hoochie coochie man, but you know I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. Cause I'm your hoochie coochie man. 7-hour war. On the 7th day, on the 7th month, the 7th doctor said he was born for good luck. And you see, I got $700